Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a multi-boot USB flash drive. So you can put any operating system using this USB stick, and I'm going to show you how. So if you are a tech guy and you know what you're doing, so what you need to do is just get a USB drive, and you can make a multi-boot. Let's say if you wanna install Windows 7, Windows 10, or Mint or Ubuntu, any operating system from one USB stick, you can do that. I'm going to show you how. So guys, the app I was going to install it on is Ventoy. So I'm going to show you how to download and install Ventoy. So go on to www.ventoy.net/en/download. Downloads are here. So I'm going to add a link, how to link of the website, so you'll be easily navigated to this page. So I'm going to download Ventoy for Windows. Click on it, and then Ventoy release. So click here, and then Ventoy Windows.zip file. So click and you'll start downloading. So once it's downloaded, open it up. To download, and it's a zip file, so I'm going to unzip it. There you go. Now I'm going to open this. So double click yes, and then this is the USB drive I'm going to install Ventoy on. So make sure you plug the USB in before even trying to install it, and then click install. So the device will be formatted and all data will be lost. Continue, click yes. Wait till it downloads. That's it. It has been downloaded. Now close it and then go into my PC. That's Ventoy. So this is all empty now. Now I'm going to get the ISO files. So you'll need all of the operating system's ISO files. Let's say Windows 11 ISO. Copy it and then paste it on Ventoy. And same way, any other operating system. Let's say I've got few more here. I've got Windows 10 ISO, Windows 7 ISO. So copy and then paste it here. So wait it completes the installation, copying. I'm going to skip it for us to finish it quick. So I have transferred two ISO files onto the Ventoy USB. Now I'm going to transfer another ISO file, which is Windows 10. Just copy it and then paste it to the Ventoy USB. Now this process will take some time as well, so I'm going to skip this process, and then once it's done I'll be back. So once the all three ISO file is there, now you can close it and boot from your USB. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now let's restart the computer. and boot from the USB. There you can see it's asking you to which operating system to select. So let's select Windows 11. Takes time to boot up. There you go. I can select next and install Windows 11. So the same way, if you are going to install Windows 11 or Windows 7, restart the computer and keep pressing your boot menu. F1, F2 is or F9. So mine is HP, so it's F9. And then select boot from here. So this is USB. Click enter. Now there's choose from Windows Home Professional 32-bit, Windows 11, Windows 10. So I'm going to go Windows 7 Professional 64-bit. So click on it, and then there you see Windows is loading. It is. So Windows 7 installation page is up, so you can install Windows 7 from here. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Thank you.